Today, on Incredible Engineering. The microwave oven. The development of the microwave oven began in 1945 when Percy Spencer, an engineer at Raytheon, discovered by chance that microwaves could cook food. While testing a radar-related magnetron, he observed that a chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Intrigued, he conducted further experiments with popcorn and an egg, demonstrations that confirmed the heating effects of microwave radiation. Recognizing the potential, Spencer and Raytheon engineers enclosed a magnetron within a metal box to harness the microwaves safely. This led to the creation of the Radarange, the first commercial microwave oven. The initial models were large, heavy, and prohibitively expensive, primarily used in commercial settings like restaurants and ocean liners. It wasn't until 1967 that a consumer-grade microwave oven was introduced by Amana, a Raytheon subsidiary. Smaller and more affordable, this model made microwave technology accessible to the general public. By the 1980s, microwave ovens had become common household appliances, significantly altering food preparation habits worldwide.